Good day, everyone. Have you ever felt like the voices of regular people or your voices are being ignored by those in charge? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have all the opportunities while others struggle just to get it? This means that our community is not balanced, and I believe conflict theory can help us fix it and make things fair for everyone. My name is Neil Anthony M. Tamado, and I am running for mayor because I want to create fairer, stronger community. By the way, I'm not here to make empty promises, but I am here to offer real solutions. The only way to make real progress is to face the problems head on. That is why today I want to talk about conflict theory and how it can guide us in making our community better for everyone. So conflict theory, created by Karl Marx, explains that society is built on struggles between people who have power and those who don't. Many of those problems that we see today, like unfair wages, lack of affordable housing, and poor schools, that come from the fact that some people have control over resources while others don't have. Our community is not struggling because we lack talent or hard workers. It struggles because the system favors the rich and powerful while making life harder for the regular and especially for poor people. Conflict theory helps us see these problems clearly and pushes us to make real changes. For example, if we followed a different approach like structural functionalism, we would just try to make sure all parts of society work together, like schools, housing, and healthcare. But that doesn't just fix the deeper issue that the system is unfair. Conflict theory shows us that to truly create change, we must address the unfair power structures that keep people from having equal opportunities. Now, if we want to make our community better, we must focus on fixing unfairness and giving everyone a fair chance. Here are some ways we can do that. First is fair pay and better jobs. We need to fight for fair wages and better jobs opportunities. Big businesses and wealthy people should not be the only ones benefiting from our economy. My plan is to support small businesses and make sure workers have fair wages and good working conditions. Second is equal education. Schools in richer neighborhoods get more money and better resources, while schools in poorer areas struggle. This is not right. We need to make sure all kids, no matter where they live, get the same chance at a good education. That means better funding for schools that need it most. Third is about affordable housing. Many families are being pushed out of their homes because of rising rent and expensive housing. We need rent control policies and more affordable housing projects to keep families in their homes and stop wealthy investors from making housing impossible to afford. And lastly, giving people a voice. Many decisions are made without hearing from the people most affected. I want to make sure that working families, young people, and those struggling to get by have a say in what happens in our community. That means more community meetings and direct involvement in decision making. By investing in fair housing, equal education, and fair pay, we can break down the barriers that hold people back and build a stronger, fairer community. Conflict theory helps us focus on these real problems and work towards fixing them. Now, some people may say that other ideas like structural functionalism or symbolic interactionism can help our community. While these theories have their place, they don't focus on the root problem, which is unfairness. Structural functionalism tries to keep things running smoothly, but it doesn't challenge the unfair system that hurt people. Also, symbolic interactionism focuses on personal interactions, but it doesn't address the bigger issues that cause inequality. So conflict theory is the best approach because it directly looks at what is wrong and pushes us to make real changes. It doesn't just try to keep things running the way they are, but it also helps us create a new system where everyone has a fair chance. Conflict is not always bad. Sometimes it is the push we need to make the things better. History shows that real progress happens when people stand up against unfair systems and demand change. Conflict theory teaches us to recognize unfairness and take action to fix it. My vision for our community is not about small changes. It is about making things fair for everyone. We need to stop ignoring the struggles of regular people and start making real changes that help everyone, not just the wealthy. So I ask you, are you ready to fight for a fair community? Are you ready to stand up for equal opportunities for all? If so, then join me in making this vision a reality. Together, we can build a community that truly works for everyone. So let's work together to create a fairer, stronger community where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Thank you.